is a milestone, and I'm proud to share that I, along with my 9 fellow batchmates, have successfully secured it at BNY. During our PGDM journey at PIBM, Summer Internship program plays a very vital role, where performing well can directly lead to a PPO, and that's what exactly happened to each of us. I was part of the FX investigations at claims team during my summer internship. My classroom learnings, technical trainings, and faculty mentorship helped me better understand the concepts and apply them in real world. I was better understand the concepts of Forex trade life cycles and understand how trades are settled globally. My Alteryx training at PIBM helped me better understand how it is applied in huge organizations like BNY to streamline workflows. My PIBM learnings had helped me bridge the gap of training with practice. Now let's hear from my future colleagues as they share how their learnings and their practical exposure at BNY have led their way to their success of PPOs.
During my internship at BNY, I was part of the Global Asset Safety team, where I was worked for the design of tech regulatory framework and ensuring that that framework should not breach any rule of cash and cap rulebook. So my classroom learnings, my Alteryx training and Bloomberg trainings helped me to gain a hands-on experience on the digital tools at PIBM, which helped me enhance my performance at my SIP at BNY and which leads me to secure a PPO at BNY.
My summer internship journey at BNY was amazing. At BNY, I worked as a custody reconciliation intern, where I created a custody inventory report for the team. Along with that, I also prepared a Power BI dashboard for account monitoring. The hands-on experience and the training that I learned at PIBM helped me a lot throughout my internship. Skills like financial modeling, hands-on experience on Bloomberg terminal and the analytical skills helped me to bridge my course between the practical and the real-time work and concepts in BNY. The one-to-one faculty mentorship helped me a lot to secure my pre-placement offer at BNY.
During my time at BNY as an intern at Reconciliation Change team, I gained hands-on experience in testing lifecycle, particularly focusing on feed maintaining and account maintenance in TLM platforms. I enhanced my data analysis skills by using Power BI and improved communications by leading meetings with different leaders at PIBM. Training at PIBM and faculty mentorships helped me to apply this concept effectively and enhance collaborations and communications and ultimately secure a PPO.
At PIBM, we were trained in financial analytics, banking and risk management and digital tools like Alteryx, Power BI and Tableau, which help in the concepts of data handling, compliance and visualization techniques, which I applied in my summer internship at BNY in Global Asset Safety Department, where I was working in the consolidation of digital tooling resources, enhancement of knowledge sharing through dashboards and SharePoint, also got hands-on exposure to RCSA and breach management. All the learnings of PIBM and the performance at BNY helped me to secure a PPO at BNY.
I built my foundation in finance at PIBM with a core focus on subjects such as corporate valuation, capital budgeting, and a CFA level subject that is quantitative finance. I have also completed my certifications for NISM in 5A, 8 and 15 along with a certificate from NPTEL in security analysis and portfolio management. We here are able to learn tools such as Bloomberg and advanced Excel, including macros. So this has helped me in my summer internship project at BNY, that is end-to-end workflow of FOHF, that is fund of hedge funds, and this helped me in gaining a PPO at BNY.
At PIBM, I was trained in corporate finance, financial modeling, and investment analysis and portfolio management, which give me a strong conceptual clarity in areas like corporate action, settlement cycle, and reconciliation process. I was able to apply this knowledge in my SIP project at BNY, where I work in a depository receipt team and get exposure to ADR, GDR, corporate action, and their cross-border investment relationship. The combination of training provided by PIBM and my performance at BNY helped me to secure a PPO from BNY.
The curriculum designed at PIBM helped me in bridging the gap between the theoretical knowledge and its practical application. Also, subjects taught at PIBM such as financial modeling, financial accounting, etc. helped me in understanding my role as a real estate alternative intern at BNY in a better way. The combination of the trainings provided at PIBM and my performance at BNY togetherly helped me in securing the PPO.
At PIBM, I was trained in corporate finance, financial statement analysis, financial market and derivatives. I was able to apply this knowledge during my summer internship project at BNY, in which I was in the Forex department in the confirmation and settlement team. The combination of mentorship and training provided at PIBM along with my performance at my internship has helped me secure a PPO from BNY.
Coming from a BTech background, it was really difficult for me here in finance field. However, PIBM helped me to build a strong foundation in the field of finance and gain a knowledge about fundamentals of accounting principle. This helped me during my internship at BNY Chennai as an institutional accounting intern. And my key responsibilities were internal, external reconciliation and NAV accounting for investment portfolio. I also gained insights of Power BI here at PIBM, which helped me during my work, and this helped me secure the PPO.
Each of our stories is different, yet what unites us is the learnings, support and growth we found at PIBM. With that foundation, we all are now ready to begin our journey at BNY.